Welcome back to Do Not Rescue. We're finishing up our unit on essential skills today. This is chapter 2 of our look at navigation. I'm going to be showing you 3 different skills today. I'm going to be showing you how to shoot a bearing, how to orient a map, and how to shoot a bearing on a map. So first we're going to talk about how to shoot a bearing. This is very, very simple. All you're going to do is point the direction of travel arrow to whatever object you want to shoot a bearing to. So for example, if I want to shoot a bearing to this, I'm just going to point it towards that. Now all I'm going to do is I'm going to rotate this compass housing until Red Fred is in the shed. Now all I have to do is to read the bearing at the index line right there. And that's how you shoot a bearing. Now I'm going to show you how to orient the map. First thing you're going to do is lay out the map flat on the ground. And now we're going to look at this little graphic up here, which I mentioned in the first episode. This is the declination. This is the angle between magnetic north, which is what your compass measures, and true north, or geographic north. So this says the declination is 15 degrees. So we're going to take our compass, and we are going to rotate the compass housing until we get to 15 degrees, which is about there. Now, we are going to place our compass down on the map and line it up with one of these north-south lines on the map. And once you have that lined up, all we need to do is rotate the map and compass together. And we rotate until Red Fred goes into the shed. So now that Red Fred is in the shed, this means our map is properly oriented. So now I'm going to show you how to shoot a bearing on a map. This is very simple. All you're doing is taking the bearing between 2 points. So for this demonstration, I'm going to be taking the bearing between Rattlesnake Mountain and Palmer Mountain. The first step in this is to orient the map, which I've already shown you how to do. So now you want to move the compass. Now don't move the compass housing because you still need to account for the declination. So all you need to do is move it until the base plate goes between the 2 points that you want to take a bearing between. Now all you have to do is move the compass housing until Red Fred goes into the shed. And then you read the bearing at the index line, and that's how you take a bearing between 2 things on a map.